Let's have a look at another dynamics question here. So now we have a crane question. We're told a crane lifts a 1.5 ton cement pillar directly up. We are asked to calculate the work done by the crane as it lifts the object 35 meters, and then we're asked the lift speed, so that the speed at which the concrete pillar is lifted is 1 meter per second. Calculate the crane's power. So we'll start with A, we'll start with the work done. So when we're thinking about work is essentially force times displacement, or force times distance. The only force acting on this pillar is gravity. So that is mg. So this means the work in this case is going to be the mass of the pillar times gravity times the displacement. And here, the gravity, we will just consider the absolute value of gravity. We'll be finding work as a positive value because we're lifting something. So we are doing work. So the mass of the object, 1.5 tons, that's 1,500 kilograms. The distance moved, we're told, is 35 meters. That's how high the crane is lifting the cement pillar. And then G at the surface of the Earth is 9.8. So we're going to imagine this is 9.8. So we're calculating work. This will be 1,500 times 9.8 times 35. So we can put this into our calculator. 1,500 times 9.8 times 35. This will be 514,500. And so this is going to be the work done on this object in lifting it 35 meters. So that's the first part of our question. Now we are asked, the lift speed is 1 meter per second. Calculate the crane's power. So we know that power is work over time, so work over change in time, or force times velocity. So in this case, we know the work. The change in time, we don't necessarily have time as a value. The force we know, and the velocity we also know, though. So we can actually use force times velocity. So force is just the gravitational force, it's just the mass times the gravity. So this will be mg. And then the velocity we know is 1 meter per second, because we're told that's the lift speed. So we're going to multiply that by 1. So mg, 1,500 times 9.8, this is 14,700. And this is the power of the crane.